Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues where the settings on your TM31 don't respond, you're not alone. This often occurs due to a faulty potentiometer, which is responsible for controlling the device's settings. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making your Thermomix unusable. To get started on the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement potentiometer, and some tweezers. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to work safely. Begin by removing the base of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom. Gently lift off the base, being careful not to force it, as you don't want to damage any clips. Once the base is off, locate the potentiometer. It's typically situated near the control panel, connected to the main board. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to it using your tweezers. Take your time to avoid damaging nearby components. You'll then need to unscrew the potentiometer from its fixed position. Remember that it may require a bit of force, but be cautious not to apply too much or you could damage the board. With the old potentiometer removed, you can now insert the new one. Align it properly and screw it into place securely, but avoid over-tightening. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached but not pinched or strained. Before closing everything up, it's wise to test the device. Plug it back in and check if the settings respond correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed that everything works as it should, gently replace the base of your Thermomix, ensuring all clips are secured and screws are tightened properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, keep your device clean and free from moisture, and avoid using excessive force on the buttons. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch potential problems early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.